Have you ever read about people's success stories and wondered, what do they do that I don't? Good. That's the motivation that will move you to the next step. The next thing you have to do is learn about the 5 things that successful people do, and perhaps unsuccessful don't. Successful people can be identified by their habits. If you want to be one of those people who is inspiring others with their success stories, then follow these tips. Number 1. Avoid complaining. Unsuccessful people always complain about everything but never do anything to change the situation. Unsuccessful people complain about problems and move on. Successful people know that rather than complaining about something, it is better to think of a way they can change the situation. Successful people internalize problems and solve them. Number 2. Take responsibility for your actions. To be successful, you have to be responsible. Don't be so quick to put blame on others for something that was clearly your responsibility. Successful people know that failure is simply another opportunity to try again. They don't take failure personally. Instead, they take responsibility, learn from it, and try again until they succeed. Unsuccessful people never take responsibility, are afraid of failure, and always blame others for their actions. Number 3. Talk about ideas. Successful people always talk about ideas. Their active minds are always racing with ideas on how they can achieve or solve something. Unsuccessful people talk about people. Their favorite topic is gossip. They are always concentrating on other people's lives, wondering about who did what, when, where, and why. Number 4. Have a positive attitude. Attitude plays a key role in determining one's level of success. Successful people always have a positive attitude. They are optimistic people who see the positive side of every situation. If there is a problem, they see an opportunity to solve the problem. They always see the glass half full. Unsuccessful people have a negative attitude, which prevents them from pursuing anything. They always see the problem and not the solution, which makes them constant complainers. They always see the glass half empty. Number 5. Help others to be successful as well. Successful people are not jealous of others' success. Instead, they are always willing to help others become successful. They offer advice and mentor others whenever needed. Unsuccessful people never want to help anyone. They only think about themselves and never want anyone to come up to their level. Unsuccessful people will always be wary of anyone who seems to be coming up to their level and will always try to sabotage them. Success starts with the mind. Decide today to be successful, then work towards achieving that goal. Success is a one-way street. If you decide to take it, be prepared to go all the way. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Broadview channel and ring the notification bell to be informed of the intriguing content posted on the channel. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and share your thoughts in the comment section below.